Okay, let's dive into this explainer on the absolute most important relationship skill you need: emotional repair. You just had a blowout. Honestly, the actual fight barely matters right now compared to that heavy silence. We've got to shatter this myth. Conflict isn't a bug, it's a feature. It actually proves your bond matters. During a fight, your brain literally senses an existential threat. Your empathy, yeah, it's completely physiologically shut down. Trying to problem solve in that fight or flight state, it's literally like doing algebra during a massive earthquake. So here's the golden rule: you absolutely must restore emotional connection before ever rehashing the actual argument. In those first 20 minutes, stop talking entirely. It sounds crazy, but both of your brains are completely offline. You got to physically regulate yourself first. Try splashing cold water or taking a quick walk to de-stress. Notice that deep vulnerability hiding under your anger. Your nervous system is actually time traveling to childhood wounds. Once calm, build that bridge back. Own your specific reaction and bravely share what you're feeling deep underneath. We have to ditch the versus illusion. Stop treating each other like toxic villains and tackle the pattern together. When both of you embrace this three-dimensional empathy, the fight instantly flips. You go straight to teammates. Okay, let's look at the protocol. Start soft and blame-free. Seriously, your tone matters way more than words. While listening, truly validate their emotions. Just remember, validating how they feel doesn't mean you're admitting they're right. When your partner sees the fear beneath your anger without judging, boom, your brain literally builds secure pathways. Watch out for these traps. Never use the "I'm sorry you feel that way" non-apology or secretly keep score. What if they just shut down? Simply show you're available without pressure, maybe with a small caring gesture. So your ultimate goal: swap out those rigid childhood walls for a protective yet completely flexible connection drawbridge. The fight isn't the enemy. You actually earn security by courageously finding your way back every single time. So I'll leave you with this: the next time that heavy silence hits, will you lower your drawbridge? If you want to work on this for real, try Figlet, my AI relationship coaching app. You can start for free, no credit card needed, at figlet.empathy.com.